The world's most successful people doing that I'm not doing. And I kept coming across morning rituals and morning routines, but I went, I'm not a morning person. Like, what else do they do? Like, where's the night owl, like, success plan, right? And I finally saw one, I don't remember the headline, but it caught my attention, and I went, I gotta read this. And I dove in, and this was 2007, so morning rituals now are, everybody talks about them, they're all over the place. They weren't quite as prevalent. And I realized that it was the one thing that most of the world's most successful people had in common. And then I went, okay, I'm going to wake up an hour earlier tomorrow and start a morning ritual. Then the question was, what am I going to do during that hour to really maximize it? I want it to be the ultimate morning ritual. So I ended up continuing down my Google searching and came up with 6. It was meditation, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and journaling. And I went, which of these is the one thing I should do? Which is the best? Which is going to change my life the fastest? And the epiphany happened when I went, what if I did all of these? What if I woke up tomorrow, I did the 6 most timeless, scientifically proven personal development practices in the history of the world that, you know, for centuries they've been working for people. And the next morning I woke up, even though I wasn't a morning person, did all 6. And I went from being depressed and scared to, like, my mental and emotional, I was at a peak. I went, wow, if I start every day like this, it's only a matter of time. And it was less than 2 months that I doubled my income, decided to run that ultra marathon that you'd mentioned. And it felt like a miracle. I told my wife, I said, sweetie, this is like a miracle. She's like, it's like your miracle morning. I go, yeah, it's my miracle morning. So I started writing my schedule as my miracle morning. It was never a book idea. And the light bulb went off that I went, well, if this is changing my life and I wasn't a morning person, and it's changing all of my clients' lives and none of them were morning people, this could change the world. Like, I have a responsibility to get this message out there.